how I do my Sarah makeup from the movie Labyrinth. First, I start by applying a light, even coat of foundation all over my face. Then I go over that with a powder foundation. Next, I use a dark beige eyeshadow to contour my face. I start with the sides of my nose to make it look straighter. I also brush it under my nose to make it look shorter. Then I dust it over the tip of my nose to make it look more like a button nose. And I use a puffy brush to blend it all in. I brush it over the tops of my cheekbones and around my forehead. Next, I apply a pink blush to make my cheeks look super rosy. I dust it over the fronts of my cheek and nose. This gives a more youthful appearance. And I blend it in. After that, I use a light matte powder to highlight my face. First, I brighten under my eyes, and between my eyebrows and down the center of my nose. Now I'm moving on to the brows. I take a black eyeliner and apply it in hair-like strokes. Her eyebrows are very full and they have a very subtle arch, appearing more straight. They are also much closer together than my natural brows. I warm up the black with a brown liner. Next, I use the beige eyeshadow again to darken my eyelids and under my eyebrow. I use a light powder to blend in the edges. Then I take a warm brown liner pencil and line under my lower lash line. And I use a black eyeliner halfway in my waterline. And I use brown again to elongate my tear duct. This makes my eyes look more cat-like. I line my upper lash line with a black eyeliner. And I wing it up at the ends. Then I curl my lashes. I use a black liquid eyeliner to darken the line. I warm up and fill in the brows a little more with a brown liner pencil. Next, I use a natural pink lip stain and fill in my lips. My lips are wider than hers, so I narrow them by lightening the edges with foundation. Then, I overdraw the top lip a bit with a liner pencil and fill them in. I take my contour to darken between my eyebrows. Then, I dust some more blush over my chin and cheeks. I highlight the tip of my nose and down the center with a shimmery eyeshadow, as well as the front of my cheeks, over my lip, my chin, and over my eyebrows. Then I blend it in. I also dot some dark brown liner in the corner of my lips. Next, I put on these green contact lenses. They look really natural, and I will add a link in the description to where you can get these. Then I apply a generous amount of mascara. take my hair down and reshape my hairline with a dark eyeshadow. I try to recreate the shape of Sarah's hairline, and her forehead is slightly shorter than mine. Now it's time to put on my wig. Even though my hair is the right color, the benefits of the wig is that it saves time, it stays straight because it's synthetic, and it is all the same length. Since it is the same color as my hair, I can use a blending trick, which is to take a little section from the front of my hairline and separate it from the rest of my hair. Then I put up the rest of my hair in a wig cap. Next, I put on my wig. And I use a hair clip like the one she wore in the movie and clip my hair to the side. And that's pretty much it for the makeup. Next, I'm going to show you how I made the costume. First, I'll start with the shirt. I use this puffy shirt pattern and modify it a little bit. I make an opening and add buttons down the middle. Then I dark wash the fabric and watered down acrylic paint. This makes the fabric not as bright. Next, I'm going to show you how I made the vest. First, I use this pattern. Then I sew the vest together. I use a shiny off-white fabric for the vest. Next, I use a gold acrylic craft paint and freehand paint all of the swirly designs while studying screenshots from the film. It's a tedious process, but I'm really happy with the results. She also wears a little brooch. I used some metal findings to recreate a similar shape, and added this orange crystal button to the center. I sewed it all together with a needle and thread. And then I added chains with beads on the end. Next, I make the bracelet with an assortment of beads, and I put them on an elastic string to replicate the one from the film. Now for the shoes. I used an old pair of shoes I already had, but they were the wrong color. So I painted them with brown acrylic craft paint. Then I painted these indentations to match my socks. Then I painted the bottoms of the shoes dark brown. I also painted along the edges of the stitching. that's pretty much it for the costume. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I love this movie so much and had so much fun dressing up as one of my childhood idols. I have a Goblin King tutorial coming out next, and lots of other costume and makeup tutorials on my channel, so feel free to check them out. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye!